Hi, my name is Albert Gomez with Industrial Power Truck and Equipment, aka IP Truck, your source for reefer units and the very best Hino and Isuzu dealer in DFW. Today I'm super excited to show you two lovely trucks. They are both 2020 Hino 195s equipped with a 16-foot reefer Morgan body and a T680R Thermo King reefer unit. So a lot of people don't know this. However, Hino is actually Toyota's commercial truck. So when you purchase a Hino, you're also buying Toyota's legendary reliability and dependability. Let's take a closer look. Now, it's very easy to get in the cab. Grab handles in the perfect position for your drivers to make it easy to get in and out of the cab. One of the first things you will notice, these seats are super comfortable. They are cloth seats. They're just very extremely comfortable. As you can see here, I'm actually sitting on a magnetic suspension seat. This helps your drivers with fatigue throughout the day on their delivery routes. So it's just a very nice option we offer all of our customers here. Really quick, this truck comes standard with an engine brake, so that helps your brakes from wearing, constant braking throughout the day. Really saves you on wear and tear. This one comes with heated mirrors, also remote mirrors. So if you have different drivers driving the same truck, it makes it easy for them to switch the mirrors to their exact needs. So very cool, neat feature these trucks come with. They are an option, but we give them on virtually all of our trucks here for our customers. Very popular option. One of the best things about this truck, in my opinion, is the standard Bluetooth radio. It allows your drivers to be hands-free out their wheel, reducing, any distraction as far as, fumbling around with their phones. So it's very neat option there. Neat standard option. Now, because this is a cab over design here, we're literally right above the engine. So this gives you a few added benefits. Number one, you just get remarkable visibility here. This also allows you to maneuver this vehicle a lot smoother, and it creates a very small footprint. So those are just a few of the many added benefits the cab over design does offer. Let's take a look at the business end on this unit and follow me. So like I said, these two are the same exact specs on the back end, same exact 16-foot Morgan body, reefer body with the same reefer unit. These units here can drop to below 20, so it really accommodates anything you might be hauling as far as frozen meats, poultry, produce. So you see here we have two options, very popular options our customers like. We have the walk ramp, which makes stops very fast and efficient for your drivers. Or we have the 50x80 aluminum Anthony 3,000-pound liftgate. It's just incredible to get your pallets in and out of the truck if you're working with pallets. And it's 3,000 pounds, so it's plenty of muscle to get your pallet jack up there along with the pallet and your product. So inside, We have 1 row of E-track. It's really just a remarkable box. Pretty simple. So next time you're thinking about getting a reefer unit, I'd really appreciate if you visit us here at IP Truck. We are the industry's leading reefer experts. So if you have any questions regarding the units I showed you today, do me a favor, call us at the number below or visit us on the web at iptruck.com. Do me a favor also, hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channels to constantly get updates on the newest videos we release, and give us a like on Facebook and LinkedIn. Thank you and have a great day.